Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Do you ever struggle to start a conversation in English? What's the one topic you can talk about with absolutely anyone, anywhere in the world? You guessed it. The weather. It's the perfect icebreaker. Today, we're going to make talking about the weather super easy for you. We'll listen to 3 simple conversations between 2 friends, Sarah and Emily. This will help you learn common phrases and sound more natural. So, get ready to boost your English conversation skills. Let's start. Here's our first conversation. Imagine it's a beautiful, sunny day. Hi, Emily. What a beautiful day. Right? Hi, Sarah. It really is. I love it when the sun is shining. It's so warm today. Me too. It's perfect weather for a walk in the park. The sky is so clear. That's a great idea. It's much better than yesterday. It was so cloudy. I know, right? I'm glad it's sunny again. Let's enjoy it. Now, let's see what happens when the weather isn't so nice. In this next conversation, it's starting to rain. Oh, look, Emily. I think it's starting to rain. Oh no. I didn't bring my umbrella. The forecast said it would be sunny. The weather changes so quickly here. Look at those dark clouds. Yeah, it's getting a bit chilly too. I feel a cool breeze. Let's find a coffee shop to wait until the rain stops. I could use a hot coffee. Perfect. Let's go. Finally, let's talk about a different kind of weather. This time, it's a cold, winter day. It's freezing today, Emily. I can't believe how cold it is. Tell me about it. I had to wear my thickest coat. Did you see the temperature this morning? It was so low. I did. And they say it might snow later. The wind is so strong too. Wow, snow. That would be pretty, but I hope the roads stay clear. I agree. Let's stay inside, where it's warm. Maybe we can watch a movie. I love that idea. Hot chocolate and a movie sound perfect for a cold day like this. Okay, did you notice how Sarah and Emily talked about the weather? They used very simple and common phrases. Let's quickly review a few. To talk about good weather, you can say, "What a beautiful day," or "The sun is shining." When the weather is not so good, you can say, "It's starting to rain," or "It's getting a bit chilly." And for cold weather, phrases like, "It's freezing today," or "The wind is so strong," are very useful. See? It's not that hard. These are phrases you can use every single day. Practice them, and you'll feel much more confident starting conversations in English. Now, for my question to you. Look outside your window right now. What's the weather like where you are? Tell me in the comments below using one of the phrases we learned today. I can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.